My name is Christian Barcelo, and this is for college algebra. So this is the final, and I'm going to be showing my workspace, close computer, just a drink. These are the notes. There's nothing pertaining to any questions on my notes. It's just general notes. And these are my 4 questions. So mod 5, 6, 7, and on the back is going to be module 8. I'm going to work through and I'm going to be explaining these. All right, module 5, question 3. As x approaches infinity, for which of the following functions does f of x also approach infinity? So based on the rule, to determine what happens as x goes to infinity, you look at the highest leading coefficient and exponent number. So for all of these, it's going to be the first number in a row. I see that negative 6x to the 4th power is going towards negative infinity, so that's not going to be it. For Bravo, positive 18x cubed, yes, that is going to be leading towards infinity. Charlie, negative 4x to the 5th power is not going to be. For Delta, positive 6x cubed is going to be. For Echo, positive 7x to the 4th power is going to be. And for Foxtrot, negative 2x to the 6th power is not going to be. So the correct answers are going to be Bravo, Delta, Echo. This is going to be for mod 5, question 3. For module 6, the question is the square root of 162 plus the square root of 72. We're going to break this down. We're going to start off with 162 first. Now we need to find the largest number, which is going to be 81, times 2 is going to equal 162. The square root of 81 is 9. So this problem changes to the square root of 162 is equal to 9 square root of 2. It's the same exact thing. They mean the same thing, and they both get the same exact answer. Now, for 72 is equal to 36 times 2. Square root of that is 6. So this is going to be square root of 72 equals 6 square root 2. Now we want to combine like terms. So 9 plus 6 is going to be 15 square root 2. And that's going to be our answer for mod 6, question 6. For mod 7, enter the single logarithm expression equivalent to 2 ln t plus 5 ln z minus ln t. Now, we can rewrite this the exact same way from the number going in the beginning to changing to an exponent. So that's what we're going to do. So it's going to be ln t squared plus ln z to the 5th minus ln t to the 1st power. So we're going to combine like terms here as well. So that changes it to ln t squared z to the 5th power minus ln t to the 1st power. Right here we want to isolate the ln, so we're going to go ahead and divide, which makes our new problem ln, or use the quotient rule. Yes. All right. So which makes it which makes it ln, and then t squared z5 over t1. From here, we're going to cancel out one of the t's. It's going to isolate. Now we're going to have no fractions, and our final answer is ln, 1t still remaining, z to the 5th. And this is going to be our final answer for mod 7. And that's our work. And for the last question, we're going to be graphing 3x plus y is less than negative 2, and negative x plus 3y is greater than negative 3. We want to get this into slope-intercept form. So we're going to take the 3x plus y is less than -2. And the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is to isolate this, we're going to go ahead and subtract 3x. So our new problem becomes y is less than -3x minus 2. Okay, so our initial point is the y-intercept, which is -2. So come down to 0, -2. And rise over run is 1. We're going up 1, and then, or to the right 1, sorry, and then down 3. So right 1, down 1, 2, 3. Our next point is at 1, comma, -5. So our points are 0, -2, and 1, comma, -5. And then based off of the y is less than or greater than, we know it's going to be either line dashed and shaded above or below. So in this case, our y is going to be dashed line and shaded below. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And all of this area is going to be shaded below. Now, next problem is -x plus 3y is greater than -3. Same thing, we want to get this in a slope-intercept form. So first, we're going to add x. 3y is greater than x minus 3. Isolate the y, we divide. So we divide on both sides. Now y is greater than 1 over 3x minus 1, because those cancel out. So we know that our first point is going to be 0, comma, -1. So we're going to plot that, 0, -1. And our next point is going to be rise over run. So it's going to rise 1, and to the right 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, our next point is at 3, comma, 0. So I'm just going to connect the dots here, plot these 2 points, and that is also going to be a dashed line. We look at that same rule, dashed line, but this time we're shading above. So we draw our dash. Extend it a little bit. And this one is going to get shaded above. This is all of my work. Thank you.